I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: for the feet, the minor fall and the major lift, the powerful King composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw heaven on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips you drew an hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, it wasn't much I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I told the truth, I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I stand before the Lord of Song with